Let's dive into the flavors of the Mediterranean with a rich and colorful dinner. Chicken with olives and peppers, a dish where succulent meat meets the crispness of vegetables and the unique flavor of olives. Ingredients: 4 chicken thighs, 2 bell peppers, 1 yellow and 1 red, 150 grams of pitted green olives, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 200 milliliters of chicken broth, 1 sprig of rosemary, salt and pepper to taste, a pinch of chili pepper or paprika for a spicy touch, optional. Start by cleaning the peppers, removing the seeds and inner strands, then cut them into strips. Clean the onion as well and slice it thinly. Finally, chop the garlic. In a large saucepan, heat the extra virgin olive oil and brown the onion and garlic until translucent. Add the chicken thighs and brown them well on all sides. Season with salt and pepper. Once the chicken is well browned, add the strips of peppers and olives. If you like, you can add a pinch of chili pepper or paprika. Pour in the chicken broth until the ingredients are covered. Add the rosemary and simmer with the lid on for about 30 to 40 minutes. The chicken with olives and peppers is ready to be served, perhaps with a side of baked potatoes or a fresh green salad, and a glass of red wine to enhance the flavors. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to discover more delicious recipes that will bring Italian cuisine directly to your home. Also, visit our website. Chicken with olives and peppers, an ideal dish to warm up your evenings with friends. Easy to prepare and full of Mediterranean culinary tradition.